हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो अभी हम है नेपाल में आए हैं काठमांडू। सो इट्स डे 1। सो फर्स्ट डे हम लोग जाएंगे पशुपतिनाथ मंदिर, जो कि यहाँ का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस टेम्पल है। पशुपतिनाथ मंदिर जाएंगे, उसके बाद वहाँ दर्शन करके फिर हम लोग निकलेंगे ट्रैकिंग के लिए। सो इट्स डे 1। सो डे 1 ट्रैकिंग के लिए हम लोग 4-5 आवर बाई ड्राइव बाई कार जाएंगे हम लोग शीतल जल के पास, और वहाँ से फिर हम लोग बाई वॉक करके 4-5 आवर का वॉकिंग है, ट्रैकिंग करके एक वन गाइड रहेगा हमारे साथ, और वो हम लोग को एक्सप्लोर कराएंगे डिफरेंट पार्ट्स। सो ऐसे ही हम लोग को 3-4 डेज का ट्रैकिंग है। सो विल डिस्कस कवर ऑल द ट्रैकिंग इन दिस ब्लॉग। सो इट्स डे 1। सो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट दिस ब्लॉग बाय गोइंग टू द पशुपतिनाथ टेम्पल। आफ्टर दैट वी विल शो यू ऑन द ट्रैकिंग रूट्स and different parts of the mountain in Nepal. So hope you will enjoy this blog of Nepal and Kathmandu. So let's start this video by going to the first Pashupatinath temple. So हम लोग पशुपतिनाथ मंदिर पहुंच चुके हैं। So this is all about पशुपतिनाथ मंदिर काठमांडू। So we came from Kathmandu to Sundari Jal. So this is the Sundari Jal. So this is our tour guide. He will explain about the Sundari Jal. So can you explain please about this place Sundari Jal?
Yes, please. From Kathmandu to here in that's 12 kilometer.
Yes.
And actually, this not belongs from our government. This belongs from other countries.
Yes.
What is the concrete in here? You can say everything.
Yes.
This is not from our country. This is from Chinese.
Chinese.
Yes.
So from here the all Kathmandu water supply is goes from here, this Sundari Jal.
Yes. Yeah.
So this is the part where the water goes to the Kathmandu city. You can see. So this is our day 1 of our trekking. So we'll enjoy our.
This we are starting now.
We are starting the trekking now
Yeah.
with this he's our mate. His name is
Rim.
Rim. He's Rim. He's from Kathmandu only, Nepal. So we'll go with him and we'll enjoy our trip. Hope we'll enjoy. So this is our trekking. So here we go on top till we will go till there.
Sorry.
So from here we will go till
Chisapani.
Chisapani. So we will go till Chisapani, and there we have to stay. So this is all about the view of Sundari Jal. You can see. So here we have to walk to around 4 to 5 hours, right?
Yes.
We have to walk 4 to 5
Minimum
hours.
4 hours.
4 hours.
Maximum 5.
Okay.
Depending on the hour walk.
In mid time we will take lunch also.
Yes. It's called Mulkharka.
It's
Called Mulkharka.
Mulkharka.
We take our lunch in Mulkharka.
Mulkharka will take lunch and we'll proceed to Chisapani.
After the Mulkharka, we join the forest.
It's just the beginning of our trek.
Yes.
Long to go. You can see the way. It's Bagmati River. On the way to mountain there is one temple. You can see Shivling. So this is our part of trekking. So our tour guide already went to top. We are just following him. So you can see the mountain view. You can see the Kathmandu city. It's very far from here. So we are going towards Nisapani. So it's very difficult to walk. We almost now only walk 1.5 hours We have to walk 4-5 hours more like this stairs in whole jungle. So this is our path to go on top. So how about your Everest trekking experience? Can you share something about Everest, Mount Everest trekking? You have been there?
I've been many times in there.
Yes.
When you would like to go just to base camp, it takes 13 days.
13 days.
From Kathmandu to, you have to take flight to Lukla.
Yes.
Then Sunday we go in Phagding. It's called Phagding.
Yes.
Overnight we stay in there. Next day we'll get in Namche Bazaar.
Yes.
It's very famous place. It's like America. There
Yes.
is many tourists in there. Almost tourists, they have a business also in Namche Bazaar. Also there is very expensive too.
Yes.
Even like you would like to take this like a dal bhat.
Yes.
It's very expensive, not less than 1,000 rupees.
Yes.
Above to that, yeah.
Yeah.
And we have to rest one day in there
Okay.
because of high acclimation. Even you go direct from there to Namche to Dengbuche, everywhere. When we get in above the 3,000 meter high,
Yes.
it will give high altitude symptom.
Yes.
Then high altitude means it's like sometimes dizzy,
Yes.
sometimes like abdominal problems,
Yes.
sometimes like vomiting,
Yes.
yeah. And after that, Dengbuche, Labuche is first name.
Yes.
We have to be staying there.
Yes.
Yeah. After that, in the last day, we'll get in Gorobsev.
Yes.
Overnight, we have to be staying there. In the base camp, there is no guest houses. Early in the morning, we have to go there to visit and to see the glacier, something in there. We have to get back.
So this is all about the Everest camping.
Yes. Yes.
He explained
it's
about.
just for tour. It's just for tour till base camp.
Yeah.
Even you would like to climb the Mount Everest, first of all, you have to pay just for government tax
Yes.
$11,000.
Oh my God! It's
Just
a huge
for
amount.
tax. Government tax, not your expenses in there.
Okay. Okay. It's a huge
Yeah.
amount to government.
Yeah, just for government tax.
Single person 11,000.
$11,000.
Yes.
Yes.
You can say in Indian rupees like 8
But
to 9
I don't know
lakh.
the SAR country, yeah, how much you have to pay for government tax for SAR company,
Yeah.
SAR country. I don't know about that.
Yes.
But even Euro, American, like the British people
Yes.
who would like to climb the Mount Everest,
Yes.
they have to be paid just for tax $11,000.
Oh my God! It's a huge amount to go on the Mount Everest. So normal people cannot afford to go Mount Everest. So he explained about our Mount Everest guide tour, how to go there and how much money you need to go. So it's all about money and all. So
If you like to just tour till base camp, you
Yes.
have to manage money not less than $14,000 to $15,000 per person.
oh my God!
Because of everywhere is very expensive. Just like already I told you,
Yes.
just for dal bhat, not less than 1,000 rupees.
Oh
We have to eat like 2 times, like lunch and dinner.
yes.
And breakfast also very expensive. Just for a cup of coffee, it takes 500 rupees.
Oh my God! So this is all about guide. So we'll go further and we'll see furthermore on top of the Nisapani. So just now we finished the lunch. After lunch we are going back to some more places. So he will explain about our further trips. So what is the plan now for?
Actually, we'll take lunch in the Mulkharka.
Yeah,
Mulkharka plus
yes, the lunch was very good. Actually it's like a homemade.
Yes, always homemade. It's called traditional Nepali food.
Yeah, traditional Nepali food was very
Nepali.
awesome.
Yeah, after this, it's much easier than before
Yeah,
because almost it's on the jungle.
yeah,
There is 2 camp of armies camp. They will check your luggage, everything in there.
yes.
But I will tell for them because of you don't have nothing. Already I seen
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
So then even they check also is nothing in there.
yeah,
Just for last time, yeah.
yeah,
That's why they will check our permit in there.
yes.
It takes from here still on the top.
Yes.
About the 1.5 hour way.
Yeah.
After the downhill is about half an hour way.
Yes.
Then we'll get in Chisapani.
Yes.
Overnight we stay there.
Oh, so we are now going to Chisapani. So this is all about on the way. You can see. On the way we found some Russian tourists also and some other nationality also. We'll see in Chisapani. Now our trekking is via jungle. You can see very narrow path and very dangerous. You can see many animals also in this way. Tiger, as per our guide Rim, he said that here you can see leopard, beard and many more animals. So what kind of bear you can see here? Can you explain, Mr. Rim?
We have 3 kinds of bear in Nepal.
Yeah.
One is the black one.
Yes.
It will be very dangerous, yeah?
Yeah.
But gray one,
Yeah.
it will be very smaller one.
Yeah.
But this is not a danger.
Yeah.
And the one is coffee color.
Yes.
If this is not a danger, when they shoot to us,
Yes.
then they will run away.
Yeah.
But the black one, they will attack to us.
Yes.
Because they shoot it to us.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's very, you can see the jungle. And you can see tiger also. This our guide, he saw many times tiger also.
In the morning and night time, almost time we can see in here.
Yeah.
Actually, tiger is sometimes like leopard.
Leopard is common.
Yeah, every day, like even night and morning, you walk in here.
Yes.
Every day, every time you can see.
So this is the kind of adventure. Actually, Indians are not coming. We are the first Indian he bring to us. So
Some people will come in, from India too, but this is my first time with Indian people.
yeah, so we are very lucky. So we are the first with him as Indians, as a trekking. So hope I will enjoy him and he will enjoy our company.
Yes, please, definitely.
2015 there was a huge big earthquake, so because of that earthquake you can see the houses are collapsed. You can see, so that was the biggest natural disaster in Nepal so far as I heard. 2015 the earthquake, you can see still the condition is same now 2024, but still the houses are just similar same after the earthquake. You can see how it collapsed. It's 3-story buildings. So we reached Chisapani now, so we have to stay one night here, Chisapani. So this is all about my room in Chisapani. You can see this is the Chisapani. This is our room from we are staying here, and this is the view. You can see the view of from our streaming from room. From window you can see the mountains. So here night we have to spend one night. So this is all about Chisapani. This is the room. It's a good room, not so bad. This is bathroom.